Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing this gorgeous brown smoky eye for you. It was an absolute joy to do something that's a little bit different from what you guys have been seeing. However, this is a typical look if I had somewhere to go that required me to get dressed up. This is something that I would actually wear. I tend to show you guys a lot of easy to do looks. However, I do want to show you more of my actual style of makeup. You know, the face is always the way I show you guys. I absolutely love a very fresh foundation appearance. Now I am experiencing some acne, so I do tend to use a little bit more of a foundation that has a heavier coverage, but you know, you just gotta roll with the punches. So if you want to see more of these kind of looks, let me know and I will continue to throw these looks at you. Stay tuned for the look. Really don't know the exact direction I'm going in, so I'm going to play it safe and just start off with my brows. The first product I'm going to use is Can't Stop Won't Stop by NYX, and I absolutely love this concealer for my brows because it really helps to sculpt them out nicely. So I accidentally stumbled upon this technique, which is doing my concealer parts first and then shading in wherever I need to. And I like it because it makes my brows look really, really neat and not overdone. And that is 100% my style, if you haven't noticed. So I'm just brushing my hairs up using a brow pomade. And I have been using this one for quite some time. Actually really, really love it. I got it off of Amazon, so I'll link it down below if you're interested. It's just a nice brow soap. You have to just use a little bit of water on your spoolie and then you just apply it, and I love how it keeps my brows in place. Another brow product that I've really been loving lately is the L'Oreal Micro Ink Pen. It makes it look microbladed without the commitment. This is my absolute favorite pencil and it's already giving me the clicks of death. I haven't used this in such a while. The first eyeshadow I'm going to pick up is Brulee. I am actually really excited. A lot of these eyeshadows in this palette are favorites. So I'm just going to take Brulee right underneath the brow just to kind of set this area so it's easy to blend out my crease colors. This eyeshadow is called Uninterrupted and it's one of their Pro Longwear eyeshadows. Please excuse if you hear any crying babies in the background. That's my real life, crying babies. Okay, so I'm going to go in with this brown pencil from By Mario on my lid and blend it out. We're going to use that as our first layer, and now we're going to build on top of that to make it a super, super intense brown smoky eye. And now we're going to go in with a very dark color that's still kind of rich like chocolate called Embark. The best way to get your eyeshadows to look so strong is to use a shadow brush. So not anything fluffy, you want it to just really pack the color on, and I'm just tapping it right on my lid. Okay, so I'm going to go in with this Too Faced liquid eyeshadow, and this one is Macchiato Madness. Not really trying to get it in the inner corner, so I'm gonna put my highlight there, maybe like just halfway through on an angle. For my lashes, I'm going to use these Bombshell lashes, and you've seen these lashes before. I absolutely love these. As you guys know, I have a few favorite products that I love to use as my foundation and foundation base. So that is what we're going to be using today. The first product is Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. So I really love the glow that this gives my skin, and it peeks right through from my foundation. Pat McGrath Skin Fetish Foundation, and my shade is Medium 21. For my concealer, I'm going to use my Skin Fetish Perfection Concealer by Pat McGrath in M17. I'm going to set underneath my eyes using my Becca Soft Light Pink Haze Blurring Powder. This one is my favorite. Okay, I'm just going to leave it in these areas right here while I do my eyes, just so it can catch any fallout. Now I'm going to go in with this eyeshadow right here, and this is Cocoa Bear. This is an oldie. I'm not sure if it's still available, but this one is from Makeup Geek. For my waterline, I'm going to go for my waterline, I'm going to go in with that brown eyeliner. I'm just going to get that right in there. For my bronzer, I'm going to go with Caramel Cutie from Fenty. For blush, I'm going to use Mango Tango, which is this one right here. For my highlighter, I'm going to use Gold Ore from Melt Cosmetics. For my lips, I'm going to use this CoverGirl liquid lipstick from the Queen collection, and the shade is Rebel. I love it. This is the finished look. So that wraps up the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you do, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't yet. I hope you have. You definitely should have. And yeah, thank you again for clicking on this video. I love you guys so much. I have been doing like a prayer chain. So if you want, leave your name down below and I will add it to my list that I've been collecting, and yeah, I will mention you in my prayers. Thank you so much again for watching this video. Till my next one, stay beautiful.